Hello children, Cosmic Foundation School and Mrs. Joshi welcomes you again for another chapter in English. This is for class 1 and this is our English book. And now we start with our chapter 2. So here what is the chapter 2? Let's see what is written. It is hoppity hop splash splash. Okay, now in this picture we can see some animals here. Okay, and we have to find out what they can do. Like this monkey says, I can fly or swing. Now this is wrong. So the correct one we have to circle. This is the correct answer. I can fly, trot. Now this is the correct answer because the bird can fly. I can trot and swim. So the horse always trots. Trots matlab tabdik tabdik. Correct? I can fly or bark. Now this is a small dog. It cannot fly. It can bark. Now this tortoise is saying I can run, crawl. Crawl is the right answer. It cannot run. And this mouse is saying I can squeak or bark. Now squeak, not bark. So actual story starts here. This is our actual story. Now again you can see this is a picture where you can see some birds flying, the sun, the clouds, and a duck and a rabbit. A duck and a rabbit. Now Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit are friends. They play near the pond. ये डिपी डक एंड रोजी रैबिट ये दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं और ये कहाँ खेल रहे हैं? पॉन्ड. दे आर प्लेइंग नियर द पॉन्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज द डक सेइंग? आई कैन स्विम. कैन यू स्विम रोजी? वो क्या बोलती है कि मैं तो स्विम कर सकती हूँ. क्या तुम स्विम कर सकते हो रोजी? नाउ व्हाट डज रोजी आंसर? नो, आई कैन नॉट. आई कैन हॉप. आई कैन नॉट स्विम. वो कहता है मैं स्विम नहीं कर सकता लेकिन मैं हॉप कर सकता हूँ. ओके, वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. इस वाली पिक्चर में आप देखते हैं क्या करते हैं. डिप्पी लाइक्स टू स्विम क्योंकि वो तो डक है, एंड रोजी लाइक्स टू हॉप. दे आर हैविंग फन. दे हैव फन. वो मज़े कर रहे हैं. अब अचानक उनके दिमाग में आता है कि क्या वो अलग अलग काम कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट डज द रैबिट से? व्हाट डज रोजी से? कैन यू हॉप? क्या तुम हॉप कर सकते हो? एंड व्हाट डज डक से? डिपी डक से? नो, आई कैन नॉट हॉप. आई कैन स्विम. अब ये कहते हैं आई कैन नॉट हॉप, आई कैन स्विम. अब उनको लगता है हम वो दोनों एक दूसरे का काम करें. फाइन. दैट मीन्स द डिपी डक wants, I want to hop like you Rosie. I want to swim like you Dippy. अब वो क्या करते हैं? ये चला जाता है वाटर में. Rabbit goes into the water and the duck comes out and wants to jump. What happens next? Oh my God! Help! I cannot swim. Help! I cannot hop. Oh my God! ये नहीं है. ये खुद अपना काम कर सकते हैं, वो दूसरे का काम नहीं कर पा रहे. So who comes to help them? कौन आता है हेल्प करने के लिए? Mama duck and Mama rabbit help them. See, Mama duck comes and Mama rabbit comes. And what does Mama duck say? Dippy, come and swim with me. You are not a rabbit. You cannot hop. वो उनको समझाती है कि तुम रैबिट नहीं हो इसलिए तुम हॉप नहीं कर सकते. यू आर अ डक तो आप स्विम करोगे. एंड व्हाट डज ममा रैबिट से? रोजी, यू कैन नॉट स्विम. यू आर नॉट अ डक. कम एंड हॉप विथ मी. मतलब तुम डक नहीं हो इसलिए तुम स्विम नहीं कर सकती और तुम क्या करोगी? कम एंड हॉप. फाइन. सो दिस इज व्हाट द स्टोरी इज अबाउट टू फ्रेंड्स. लेट अस सी वेदर वी कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर. डिपी इज अ Yes, Dippy is a duck. Rosie is a rabbit. They play near the pond. Dippy एक duck है तो वो क्या कर सकती है? Swim. Rosie is a rabbit, so it can hop. Okay. Now simple है. D for Dippy, D for duck. R for Rosie and R for rabbit. We come to the next page and we will see what we can do here. Now, write yes I can or no I cannot. Can you sing? Yes, I can. अगर आप sing कर सकते हो तो you will write yes I can. Can you swim? अगर हाँ तो yes. If no तो no I cannot. जैसे I cannot swim, so I will write no I cannot. Can you catch a ball? Yes I can. Yes I can. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes I can. Can you dance? Yes I can. Can you fly a kite? Oh, I don't know to fly a kite, so I will write no I cannot. अगर आपको आती है तो आप क्या लिखोगे? Yes I can. Okay. Now we come to these. Here we have write a double letter to complete the word. Now what is this? B-U double T. It becomes butter. T-U-double-N. It becomes tunnel. P-U-P-P-E-T. Puppet. Now what is this? Back, pack, duck and sack. This is not a similar sounding word. A-C-K, A-C-K, A-C-K. But here it is U-C-K. So the sound is changing. Feed, seed, bead, said. This is odd. Cow, low, how, now. So low is sounding different. Then we have cone, bone, tone, done. Now this is odd. Now here you have to choose the right one. My name is Dippy. Am नहीं होगा. I के साथ हमेशा am आता है. So it is I am a duck. I like to swim. A like to swim नहीं होगा. Look at Rosie. What do you like to eat? I want a carrot. Okay? So this is the right answer. Now we come to this. In this, read the words and number the picture. That means car. So I have to write 1 over here. Now what is this? Table. Now where is the table here? Can you find out the table? Yes, the table is here. So you write 2 here. Then what? Sorry, 3. And here second one is cat. So where is the cat? I put the number 2 cat. This you have to do it on your own. And name 3 names for each. You just have to write names and the place, animal and thing. So if I am writing A, I can write something for B. So I can write baby, or I can write for D, I can write Dev. You have to write the names of it. Fine. Now we come to here. Complete the sentences. A monkey is sitting on the tree. My school bus is what? What is this? My school bus is yellow in color. लिख सकते हो. Yellow in color. The peacock is dancing. We like to play football. We like to play football. Now we come to the next one. Tick the actions that each one can do. हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं? We are doing the actions. Sing. Who all can sing? अगर मम्मा सिंग कर सकती है, पापा सिंग कर सकते हैं और आप भी सिंग कर सकते हो तो आप उनमें टिक करोगे. So find out. Mama can cook. You cannot. Dance. I think all of you can dance. Drive. Papa, Mama. Find out. आप अपने घर में पूछोगे and you will write it. So this is what you will find out from your parents and complete it. So read it, learn it, be inside and safe. Okay, see you for the next chapter. Bye bye.